Buying a robot vacuum based on older standards is a quick way to waste money on a machine that cannot keep up with modern expectations. Many of the camera-only models still on the market rely on basic bump-and-go navigation. These units often struggle to find their way around furniture, leaving gaps in your cleaning and frequently getting stuck. Features that were once locked behind a $1,000 price tag are now requirements for entry-level units. To get reliable results in 2026, you need LiDAR navigation for mapping and active scrubbing mechanisms that lift dirt rather than just dragging a wet cloth. You should also expect a base station that automatically empties the dustbin and washes the mop pads. Because this level of automation is now the baseline, your decision depends on matching a specific cleaning architecture to the unique layout of your home. In the sub-$500 market, you face a direct trade-off between your own manual labor and the robot's raw, deep cleaning power. If you prioritize suction strength over everything else, the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus is the most capable option for ultra-budget buyers. It delivers 10,000 pascals of suction power, a figure practically unheard of at this price until recently. The trade-off for that power is manual maintenance. While it empties its own dust, you must remove and wash the mop pads yourself after every run. For those who want a completely hands-off experience, the Eufy Omni C20 takes a different approach. Its all-in-one station handles the washing, drying, and refilling, allowing for about 60 days of floor cleaning without any user intervention. However, the Eufy provides 7,000 pascals of suction. That is plenty for hard floors, but it may struggle to pull debris out of thick carpets. The Mova P10 Pro Ultra acts as a mid-tier bridge, adding 140-degree hot water washing to the station to better handle grease and stains for a slightly higher price. In this tier, carpet owners should prioritize high suction and accept the manual mop cleaning. If you have mostly hard floors, the automated station is the better investment, even with lower suction. For homes that are 70% hardwood or tile, the type of mopping technology you choose becomes more important than the vacuum's suction rating. Standard spinning pads work well for daily dust, but they often struggle with dried-on stains, sometimes just smearing the mess. Active roller technology uses 4,000 pascals of downward pressure to scrape the floor, instantly pulling dirty water away so the surface stays clean. The Ecovacs X11 OmniCyclone is built around this roller architecture, making it a specialized tool for deep cleaning hard surfaces. It also features a true bagless system in the base station, which changes the long-term cost of owning the robot. By eliminating the need for proprietary disposable dust bags, you can save over $200 in recurring costs over a few years of use. The X11 is an essential choice for hardwood-heavy homes, but it would be an expensive overinvestment if your floor plan is mostly carpet. Some environments absolutely require a strategy of chaos management, especially homes with thick rugs, busy families, and pets that leave unpredictable messes. The iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max is the safest pick for these homes. It includes the Poop Promise, a guarantee that the robot will identify and steer clear of pet waste. It protects your carpets by lifting the mop pad vertically to the top of the robot, ensuring that wet pads never touch your rugs. If you want that same pet safety but need the highest possible deep cleaning specs, the Roborock Saros 10R is the alternative flagship. It pairs 22,000 pascals of suction with dual rubber rollers, a combination designed to pull hair out of carpets without it tangling around the brush. Owners with pets are paying for the peace of mind that their robot can navigate a messy living room without causing a disaster while they are away. To lock in your final decision, look at how these models fit into your specific living situation. If your home is 70% hard floors and you want to avoid the cost of dust bags, the Ecovacs X11 is the right move. If you have thick carpets and pets that create a chaotic if you don't mind washing the pads yourself. Before you buy, double-check your floor plan against these 4 common buying mistakes. First, avoid spinning mops for hardwood floors. Demand a roller. Second, avoid camera-only navigation, which struggles in complex rooms. Third, thick carpets need at least 8,000 pascals of suction. Finally, account for the ongoing costs of disposable dust bags. The most effective vacuum for you in 2026 depends entirely on matching the robot's architecture to your home's specific floor plan.